Guys, I am super excited to dive into another eShakti order. I'm not pronouncing that right, I'm sorry, but that's how I'm gonna pronounce it during this video, and I apologize in advance. So this is my second order from them. I did one sometime last year, and I have one again. Now, what eShakti is, it's an online shopping like normal, and then usually neckline, and then you can also customize to do your exact measurements. So I went through sometime last year, put in all my measurements, and there was like some 20 measurements, and it was a little exhausting, but that order, everything fit me so good. Here's a card to that video, go check it out. So I've got a second haul here. eShakti can be kind of expensive, so my tips for people are try to time it with a sale. You can go out to their website or get on their email and find out when they're having sales. Sometimes they have great sales, sometimes the sales aren't as good, so you just kind of keep stalking it for the correct sales. Now, I do have a referral link that will get you actually 35% off of your first order, which is, yay, that's a great sale. Take advantage of that. Now, you've got the cost of the garments, and then if you want to customize on either style or size, it's $10 per garment, and it's whether you customize in style or size, it's just $10. And then there's shipping costs because this does ship from overseas, so those can be significant as well. So just want to preface all that, but to get some beautifully fitting pieces, to me it is worth it to get a few pieces here and there. Well, okay, let's just dive right in. I've been dying to get into this, and I tried to peek around the side a little bit, and then I was like, okay, I just need to hurry up and film this so I can pull things out. So first piece, I've had my eye on for the longest time, and it is a jumpsuit, because I'm all about the jumpsuits right now. So it's got this on one shoulder and then this on the other shoulder, so I should be able to wear a regular bra with it, and I'm all about that. It's got these ruffles and a cinched waist, pockets. One thing with eShakti is they always have pockets in everything. You can opt to get it without pockets, but it automatically already has it. And then I like that it was a slimmer leg. It does have a little cutout here, but I've just been kind of obsessed with it as I have trolled their website for a while. So I'm really excited to try this on. Again, everything I did here, I did do the customized size, so it fit perfect. I'm trying with these orders to try out something new each time, even though I've already gotten a jumpsuit before, but I want all the jumpsuits. So this one is actually a sweater, just a pink and navy sweater, kind of more of a corally type pink, and a little bit of a puff sleeve to it. And I just thought it was really cute and pretty, and I just wanted to try out a sweater with a customized size. What does that feel like? This last piece, again, was something very different. I actually got a chambray type shirt, and I don't know if it was worth me getting this type of thing, but again, I'm trying to get a nice eclectic mix so people can see what things are like, and it's interesting to me. So again, should be a perfect fit because it's my customized size. And you see on these tags, instead of having a size, it just says custom. So if you're wanting to resell, that would be probably an issue because you don't really have a size tag on it. But if you plan on keeping, then it's gonna fit perfect. All right, so I am super excited to try these pieces on. Let's get to it. Okay, so I decided to pair the jumpsuit with red heels just to give it a pop of color, and I like it. I'm not as excited about it as I'd hoped. So one of the things is it's a very cottony material. I was hoping it was going to be like a more crepey or jersey type material. So again, that's on me because I never think to look to see what the material is. But I think the neckline is cute. I think the ruffles are very cute. And I like the one sleeve here. It was a little bit of a challenge because the zipper's right here, so I had to it was a little bit of a challenge to get my head into this thing. Now this, I believe, this was actually a customized, so I think the original one doesn't have it, but I love wearing a regular bra, so I did customize to add this. So it is a little clunky to try to get into. It's also just one pocket, but that's okay. I can at least throw my cell phone right there. There you go. Now, fit-wise, it's a great fit, especially bum-wise, length-wise, just really great fit. Very happy with that. There is kind of a little bit of extra material. It's like it's tighter on the inside, and then on the second layer here is kind of, and I'm assuming this was meant to be. It seems like it was meant to be that way. So it's just a style thing, not a fit thing that I don't know how I feel about. So I'll have to check myself out in the mirror at all angles. But so what do you guys think of this piece? Do you like? Okay, next piece. Okay, so don't mind the tags on my shorts. I am cross trying on a few different boxes here. Same with the shoes. So, but the sweater, it fits well. It's actually surprisingly tight around the neck. So I might kind of work at stretching that out a smidge. That's a little surprising, but sleeve length is obviously perfect. Everything else fit-wise is perfect. So I think it's really, really pretty. I like it. It feels very good quality. It feels very good quality. So I'm very happy with this sweater. Let's give you guys a more close-up look of it. Okay, there you go. All right, last top. Okay, here it is, not tucked in. And it's kind of, I feel like I want to give it a good wash to kind of loosen it up a little bit, because it is a little bit more stiff. I feel it's not super stiff, it's just a little bit more stiff than I like. But it's a great fit. Now I feel like, let's get a good look at this so you guys can see it. I feel like maybe it's a little wide in the shoulders. Maybe not. I don't know. What do you guys think? Now, one of the things that I really appreciate is I've noticed on a few of these pieces just like this attention to detail that I really like. So it does have the little buttons both here and here where you might have some gapping. So you can actually reinforce that with a hidden button, which I think is great. Also, if I can't choose between buttoning up to here and to here, I could kind of do the interim button there. So really happy with that. And I've noticed an occasional, like really good attention to detail there. Let's do a full front tuck. Okay, yeah, that's cute. I like it. I think I would wear it. I am anxious to just like wash it and see if that loosens it up a little bit, but it's a nice top. Let's do a very quick wrap up. I'll let you guys know how much everything costs and any other details I might have messed out on. And okay, let's get to it. Okay, now prices. Okay, the jumpsuit was $64.95. It has been a long time since I filmed the first two pieces of this video, so I have worn this a couple of times. I'm all about the jumpsuits this summer and hopefully into this fall, so it will continue to get used. Big fan, so happy with that. The puff sleeve striped sweater was $79.95, so that's an $80 sweater. I had referral credits that I used on these things, so I guess don't judge me. I don't know. Anyways, I still think it's really, really pretty and soft, so I will definitely get some wear of that. Just not something I'd normally pay that much for. I will definitely say that pre-pandemic, they had regular sales for free customizations or 25% off or some sort of combo, percentage off and free customizations or free shipping, things like that. I really haven't seen that come back, but we are still in a pandemic. So my guess is they're, you know, like a lot of businesses, they're probably kind of hurting here in the pandemic. So the deals are not that great. I still think that you guys will get 35% off if you use my referral link, which is actually a better deal now than it used to be, because you used to just be able to hit up sales and still get percentage off. Right now, I think it's just based off of a referral link. So I'll check their website and put that in description to make sure that referral still exists. But that's a great deal, especially considering some of the prices of these. Okay, so last up we have the chambray shirt, and it is $49.95. So there you go. So just to give you kind of an idea of some of the extra charges that are currently on here. So the value of the 3 pieces was $195. Now shipping on it, and again they ship from China, I believe, is $17. There's a sales tax on top. There's customization fee. So the customization fee was $23.38. It's usually like $10 per person. So I'm not sure why it's not just a straight up 30 per person, per item. But I guess it was $23.38 was the customization fee. So everything together was $237. Now luckily I had $200 in credit, so I paid just 40 bucks for these pieces, which, you know, customized clothing, shipping, all that, you know, I feel very lucky to have been able to do that. So that's where we're at with it, folks. So hopefully this was interesting. I do have some more referral credits, so I probably be doing this again. I'd love to hear, you know, if there's anything in specific you'd like me to see, just to see what a customized version is like, or just whatever. If you even want to send me links to stuff that you think are cool on their site, maybe I'll give that a look. I've wanted to kind of diversify the type of things that I get customized, just to try out a lot of different things, but I've tried out most things. So just let me know or send me a link or whatever, and I will check it out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do so below, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.